This is frequency in use. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Is this frequency in use? November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot.
Yeah, I gotta get those slot buckets in the AM window, that's for sure. Can't go a day without that happening.
Well, we'll just switch over to AM and work them too then. Is the frequency in use? November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air from US 4215, the Morgan Monroe State Forest. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel. Hello, CQ 40 meter AM phone.
Yeah, Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. Bill, good morning, 5-9.
I'm phone a Whiskey 95, Mike Charlie.
Good to catch you. Thanks for picking me up. 73.
All right, 73, my friend. Have a great day today.
Charlie calling CQ.
November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ POTA. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Mike Charlie.
Whiskey 4, Oscar Golf Whiskey.
And W9 FMC calling CQ.
Whiskey 4, Oscar Golf Whiskey. George, good morning, 5-5.
AM phone, and we're standing by for a call.
I copied Park 3992, my friend. Thank you for the contact today. Have a great activation in 73.
You as well, brother, 73.
All right, thank you. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Whiskey Alpha 4, Tango Echo Delta.
Whiskey Alpha 4, Tango Echo Delta. Teddy, good morning. Not used to talking to you first thing in the morning. You're 5'9".
USL, you're also 5'9". Yeah, I gotta get some slot buckets in there. Gotta have that.
All right, thank you for the 5'9" this morning. Have a great day today in 73, my friend.
You gotta have no idea.
All right, thank you. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Full band open. They gotta come up here in the AM window.
The Kilo Echo 8 station.
Another day of 40 meters. Kilo Echo 8 here.
Kilo Echo 8, Sierra Delta, Quebec. Ryan, good morning, 5'5".
40 meters. AM phone a Whiskey 95. Mike Charlie. US 9415. Whiskey 95. Mike Charlie calling CQ.
I copied. Ryan, was it US 9145?
Jackson Boss. CQ.
All right, my friend. Thank you for the contact today. Have a great day today in 73.
Mike Charlie.
All right, thank you. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ.
Whiskey 95, Mike Charlie calling CQ, 40 meter AM phone, and we're standing by for a call.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Kilo Echo 0, Mike Alpha Delta. Yeah, I heard somebody.
Kilo Echo 0, Mike Alpha Delta. Sean, good morning, 5'5".
Yeah, Tim, you're 5'7" over the AM guys here. Sounding good in Missouri.
All right, thank you for the 5'7", my friend. Have a great day today in 73. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot, QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ POTA. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
W9 FMC, good morning. 123 321. There is Kevin.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA. November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot calling CQ Parks on the air and standing by.
Little city of Reedsburg. Reedsburg, Wisconsin, where it looks like it's going to be a nicer day out, a little bit warmer. So we'll send it back to you. We'll see how the band's going. I was calling CQ, and it sounded like a POTA station decided to jump in right on top of me there. KD9 RDO W9 FMC.
Well, the good news is that right there, my friends, is a jackass. I don't know how to say it. Obviously he owns the frequency, so he can suck it. How about that? Still made some contacts. We'll just move along. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. And he can stay and cry in his pudding, his porridge. Oh. Once again, if I had a good producer, I would have been on top of that. All right, so let's just do. No, we don't want to hear that. Ooh. So back to that guy real quick. He was pissing and moaning about being in the AM window. AM is an emissions type. Sideband is a different emissions type. Either one is allowed anywhere in any band in that segment. So that is defined as phone. It's voice communications phone. Anywhere that, if you look at the band plan, they don't say this is AM. They don't say this is sideband. They say this is CW. CW is allowed anywhere in the band plan as an emissions type. Phone is allowed in certain segments, whether it's AM or not. That whole AM window BS is just BS, and it's crabby asses like that who want to stroke their Wookiee. He wasn't using it, and then immediately got upset because a POTA activator was using his precious AM band window. And from the sounds of it, he wasn't even an AM, but maybe he was. I don't know. I don't really care. I don't. It's stuff like that. It's assholes like that ruin it for everybody because they got to be the band police, or they got to ignore other people, and they sit there with their high powered stations at home. They're jerking off because they've got their ham radio whatevers, and they're happy campers, and the heck with everybody else will just talk over them, and that's fine. I made my point. I made 5 contacts, whatever it was, in between his yammering. So there we go. Life's too short to stick around and mess with it. But you guys, go out and have fun. Enjoy the bands. Don't let people like that push you away from utilizing some space. Whether or not some stupid AARL band plan, gentleman's jerk, whatever agreement says. That's just a suggestion.